talk to me about the Dremel. Look at that. This little thing is a beast. You know, this is like the tool that they do your nails with, but stronger. So yeah, I was able to smooth all those edges out perfectly. Very nice. I mean, he knew what I was doing, so I wish he would have told me earlier about the Dremel. I don't know. It can be a little slippery with this kind of material, so you have to be very careful with the cutting part. This tool comes with many little attachments, and one of them is cutting. And for this type of material, which is a plastic, like a strong plastic, you can cut into this. So anyways, now to tell you what I'm doing, I will be potting this beauty up. So let's get to it. I'm gonna let you guys know that there's some kids playing around in their yard being very loud, and they just spotted me, so that's gonna be pretty funny. So yeah, so I have all the cuttings that Eileen sent me, and this is gonna be the little Eileen arrangement. Obviously all these are not gonna go in here. I don't know exactly which direction I want to go yet. I want it to, I have to see how I'm going to do this. It depends on how long the little stem parts are. Maybe I'll go this way. So I'm probably going to do something like that. So let me see. Ooh. See, I know I want some height up here and then like kind of going down. So we'll just see. So maybe something like this. I hope you guys can see. I love this one. I don't even know the name of it. If anybody knows the name, you're more than welcome to tell me. My hands are dirty. Okay, I like that. Pressure is what's going to keep these plants together. Just, you know, putting them really tight there against each other. That's what's going to keep these plants together. So let's see how this is going to work. I'm just seeing what's going to work and what's not going to work. I wish I should try to pack it more and just let. I know some of the soil will fall out, but that's okay. But I'll try to pack it as tight as I can up there. Okay, we'll see. I'll put it down gently, pushing in the soil in there. It just keeps coming right back out. Okay. Okay, that one's in. Okay, so let's see if I can stick the ones that I wanted in here. Okay, that's good. Finally. So I'm gonna find a little space in here. Put this one in. Okay, feels good. Not falling. Looks good. Okay. Ooh. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Oh goodness. Yes, that one in there, right? So I'm gonna take this little baby off to propagate. put that right here. Oh, it's so cute. So cute. Okay, I wish I had little tiny ones, like tiny little other types of succulents that I can squeeze into little holes, but I don't think I even have anything around here. Yes, I went looking around and I think these baby ones will work, the ones that have long stems. So I think that's what I'm going to try to see if it will stay. So I'm going to trim them. These have stayed this size because of the pot. It's growing within the size of the pot, so that's why they are the size that they are. I really like these pliers. Very skinny, pointy. You can even use it to poke a hole in something. Got these and they'll hurt you if you hit yourself like that. But I got those from the Dollar Tree. I don't know what happened to the one I just cut. Where did it go? Oh, it's here. Okay, so now I'm just gonna try to carefully place that here in the pocket, in the little holes that I see. I don't know if I can get it to stay. I don't know if there's like enough soil in there to hold on to. I might have to remove this one gently and just try to fit more soil in there. Don't worry about it getting all messy. You can clean it up when you're done. Actually, maybe I'll try to fit these ones now because they have to go inward like this for them to stay. Kind of like inward like this. Putting some pressure down there. There we go. That was better. I'm gonna do it again. And then press some soil on it. Should be using my little shovel, but I don't have it right next to me, so. Okay, and then now this one. It's such a pretty one. I don't know if because it's gloomy, if you guys can appreciate the colors. It's another rainy day. Well, the morning was really nice. The morning was really nice, and yep, I was lucky to have the morning at least. Trying to cover that hole with the plant there. Okay, I think that looks good. Really like this brush. Super nice, super soft. Just very easy to get in there and clean. Maxie, what you doing? These are trying to fall off now that that one's there, but they'll stay. As I was setting him up to take a picture, I was looking at it and I really didn't like this in the back because it was kind of aiming downwards. So I put him in here and it looks really nice there. So I really like the way it turned out. Look at how cute he is. Aww. How cute. So cute. Look at Maxie. Maxie, come in here. Come in here now. It's so cute, guys. I hope you guys like it. Thank you so much to Eileen again for sending me these beautiful cuttings. Guys, don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, and hit the bell button so you get reminded of so you get notified of when I post a new video. Thank you guys so much. You guys have a blessed day. Bye, guys.